This video explains how to navigate Pivot's funding results page.
Please note, due to recent enhancements and local customizations made by your institution, your interface may appear slightly different than the screen images in this video. Functionality described here will still be largely the same.
When you conduct a funding search in Pivot, either from the basic search box or from the advanced search page, funding opportunities that match your search will appear on the funding results page. The top section of the page shows the search you conducted, including all the search parameters and any filters that are currently being applied to the list, which we will discuss in a minute. Here, there is a link to a blank advanced search page. You can save your search and use it later, or you can refine your search. Down the left side of the funding results page are the filters you can use to narrow your search even more, including funding types, sponsor types, and so on. Funding opportunities are sorted by relevance, which means the opportunities at the top are those that Pivot's automated algorithms have determined match your search parameters most closely. You can choose to sort by other options, such as title, sponsor name, and so on. On each opportunity, you can click the small magnifying glass to see the abstract for that opportunity, as well as any eligibility information. If you want to read the entire opportunity, click the title. We'll discuss that in a few minutes. If you see the words Limited or ICR before the title, you should check with your institution's research office to ensure your institution abides by the sponsor's request to limit the number of proposals from a single institution, or why internal coordination is required. If you see the word Internal, this is an opportunity only available to your institution. Below the title is the sponsor of the opportunity. The deadline is next, and you can click it to see more details. For example, if an application is due in stages. Finally, the amount of funding is listed. Again, you can click it for more details, or click See Record to see information about the funding amount on the opportunity's full details page. When you click an opportunity's title and access the full details page, you'll see all the information about the opportunity available in the Pivot system. From here, you can access the official web page of the opportunity on the sponsor's site. If you click the name of the sponsor, Pivot will show you all the opportunities in Pivot funded by that sponsor. The keywords that appear here were added by Pivot editorial staff to this opportunity. Click one, and Pivot will conduct a search for all opportunities that contain that keyword. The Upcoming Deadlines section contains deadlines from the sponsor, but may also contain deadlines created by your institution's research office. For example, if the office will need to coordinate applications from several researchers. Your institution's research office may also add some notes to the opportunity. Back at the top, on the right side of the page, are some more actions to take. You can add this opportunity to your tracked list or your active list. You can also share the opportunity with other researchers or groups. Enter names or email addresses in the recipients field, enter an optional message, and click Send. You can add tags to this opportunity, and when you look at your tracked and active lists, you'll be able to filter by those tags. Pivot's automated algorithms may be able to find more opportunities like this one, which you may not have found through your own searching. Pivot matches funding opportunities to researcher profiles to help you find potential collaborators at your institution and beyond. Use the filters on the left side to narrow the results if you want to, and then click a name to read a researcher's profile. You can then share the opportunity with them through Pivot and contact them directly. Back on the funding results page, when you select several opportunities, you can take actions on all of them, such as adding to your tracked or active list, sharing with others, or exporting from Pivot to your computer in a file with one of several format choices. And that's how you can navigate around Pivot's funding results page.